when you're due for your sign off and you read this on this notice board.
I am sharing two sign off picture so that you can see.
Hello guys, this is Mohammad Shawez Siddiqui from Cochin. I am an able seaman. I have just signed off from my vessel on 15 June 2020. So I would like to share my sign off experience. Uh, it was a very long contract of 11 months. So yeah, let's go. Let's get started. So I have written everything here so that I don't miss any points. Okay, so I will read it and tell it to you. Hope you don't mind. I know many seafarers are due for sign off in this 2020, but uh, because of this COVID and international flights are not working, we are not getting sign off from many ports. We went. I am due for sign off from February. In February, we were in China in dry dock, so there it was impossible to sign off from there. Then we headed towards Los Angeles. So there in US also there was no sign off. Then we went to Panama. Then also no sign off. Then we went to Port Everglades. So there also there was no hope for sign off. Then we proceeded to Gibraltar. So Gibraltar is a very good place for sign off, but unfortunately there also we did not get any sign off. We were total around 15 people for sign off. Then my vessel went to Tuapse, Russia. Um we crossed Istanbul Strait and everything, but still no sign off. Then we headed toward the Suez. There also no sign off. Then finally there was a news that the vessel is going to Singapore. Then we thought, okay, we will get sign off, but still there was no confirmation from the company. And in the meantime, that the vessel was loaded also. So it was a very less chance that we will get sign off. So I will specially thanks to my company and the charterers that they allowed us to sign off in India, Kochi. So finally, uh, there was some mail in black and white that they told, okay, we will sign you off in Kochi. I said, okay. Everything, we all got happy and everything. So now the game starts. First of all, whichever your reliever is coming, he should be COVID free and everything. So we have our finger crossed, and finally we reach Kochi, and our all sign on party was COVID free, checked everything. They were ready to join the vessel. We were all ready to sign off the vessel. And on 15th of June 2020, around 6 a.m., we dropped the anchor. And this boat sign off boat was supposed to come at 8:30, but it did not come at 8:30 because there was many vessel around there waiting for the sign off. So that there was only one tugboat which was going to each and every vessel. Sign off was going on, baggage and everything. Then the boat arrived to us at around 11 p.m. 11 no 12 p.m. Sorry, 12 p.m. Then it took around 40 to 50 minutes for everything because there was around 1 to 1.5 meters of swell. It was very difficult to get down on the tug and for them to board this vessel. Mm, but finally, everything finished in 50 minutes and we proceeded toward the jetty. The tug took around 1 hour 30 minutes to reach to the jetty. We came to, I think so, cruise terminal jetty with our proper PV and everything. Then we boarded the bus which was arranged by the agent. It was the government approved bus, and from there we went to this customs, custom and everything. There we filled our COVID form, temperature was checked, everything. It took around 2 hours there because everybody was there, other vessels crew also, and they need to take Xerox of your COVID form. So we have to wait inside the bus. Our meal was provided over there only. No hotel were provided over that time for the lunch. We had our meal inside the bus only. Mm. And from there we went to immigration, which another took 1 hour, 2 hours, 1.5 hour to 2 hours, like that. Finally, after the immigration, we headed to our hotel, which was another 1 hour from there. We are currently in 4 points by Sheraton, uh, which is a very good hotel, 5-star hotel. And finally, we came here. Our baggage were sanitized and everything. Temperature was checked again. Here also in hotel also they gave a COVID form. We filled that form and everything, and that was done. And this took very long time to reach our hotel. After we came to our hotel room, one person per room. This is the rule, and we were to advised not to come out of our room. But I've seen many people are roaming here just for walking when they are wearing mask and everything properly. And so they told us they will give us the food outside our room when they will ring the bell, and we have to take the meal inside, and nobody will come to clean your room and everything till you are on this room. So, and there is also one more thing, that till you clear your everything, immigration, everything, your vessel has to wait to your anchorage. Vessel cannot depart from there. This is the rule. Okay. So I will specially thank to my company that they arrange everything. So we reached on this hotel on Saturday, which was 15 June. So next day was Sunday, so nobody will come for your COVID test. We were advised that they will come on Monday and do our this corona test and everything. So we waited on Monday morning, nobody came. When it went to afternoon, nobody came. It went to evening, nobody came. But finally at 10 p.m. 10 p.m. I got a call that you have to come down to reception for your COVID test. So I went there. So everybody told it is very painful and everything. But when I went there, they just like it is like this much size earbud. I will just say earbud. How the earbud is? Here we have cotton and everything. So they will put inside your throat and rub it and take it out. Break that stick and put inside one test tube and close it. And second, they will take from your nose. They will put inside and rotate it and take it out. So this is the only process which is not painful but irritating. After your eyes, water will come and everything. After 30 minutes also, I was a little irritated, but it was not painful but irritating. So on Monday 10 p.m. I gave my COVID test, and they told me it will come after 48 hours. Result will come after 48 hours. But my result came on Thursday. That also on WhatsApp the agent told that all congratulations, all are COVID negative, and now we are waiting for government certificate so that we can fly to our final destination. Today is Friday, still we are waiting for that certificate so that we can go, my company can go ahead with the ticket and we can reach our home. So yeah, this is how it is. uh, mm, mm, mm. Where was I? Mm. So as soon as we'll get our certificate, my company will arrange a flight ticket. Then I will fly to Mumbai, and other people will go to other places. Rules are different for each and every states. In Mumbai, I have heard that I am not confirm anything. When I will go, I will let you know. And that what is the quarantine days? I heard that it is 14 days quarantine, but it is home quarantine. So, but my company will be providing us a proper PPE, face shield, mask, disposable boiler suit, gloves and everything. So I don't think I will get any kind of virus in me because we are on proper PPE. So make sure you also do the same thing when you sign off or you are joining the vessel. Okay. So let's see how it goes when I will get my government certificate. Let's see, I'm still waiting for it. I'm in this room from Saturday. Yeah, I'm very relaxed because it is better. Wait. So that was here. So once I'll get my home, I will upload another video. So from Kochi to Mumbai, how was my experience and how was everything. So till I hope you also get your sign off, and who are waiting at home, they also get the job, they just also sign on. If I miss anything or if I have made any mistake, I'm sorry for that. I hope message was very clear to you. Okay, I don't have any editing software here because everything is in my PC, which is at home. So so I will not edit this video, I will just put it how it is. Okay, take care, bye bye, take care, Allah Hafiz, bon voyage.